Tell me like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, I'm back again with a short story and a very small experience. It always happens when we look at something, we become judgmental. When we look at a person, we start analyzing what kind of person he or she can be. Will he be interesting person? Should I go and talk to them? And different kind of thoughts keep coming to us. Many a times, the reaction what we give or a person is giving at that particular situation is not exactly right. It may be because of some reason. It happens when we are happy. Even a big situation doesn't make us feel bad. We can just overthrow it. But if our mood is not good, even someone comes and talks to us politely, we have to say, please don't talk to me, I'm not in the mood to talk. So the thing is that whatever happens is because of many of the things which are already happening in our mind. Same way, it's not right to judge a person for a particular situation. I'll recite a small story for this. I'm sure you will understand what exactly I want to talk about. Friends, once I was traveling in a bus. There were few passengers already there, and after 2-3 stops the bus started getting filled. Everyone was doing busy in their own tasks. Few were busy reading books. There were few ladies doing knitting. Few of them were having earphones in their and enjoying listening to the music. The environment of the bus was quiet and calm. Suddenly at a stop, a man got into the bus with 4 kids. As soon as they entered the bus, what happened? Total environment changed. The kids, they were running, shouting, fighting, screaming, everything was going on. And within few minutes, everyone in the bus started feeling irritated because of that noise and disturbance. People tried to make that man understand that we are getting irritated by looking at him again and again and looking at those kids. But there was no reaction on that man. After a few minutes, when the patience got over of the passengers, they asked the driver to stop. And then they asked that man, why can't you ask your kids to sit quietly? The man, he just looked at each one of us and said, these kids have recently lost their mother, and I am taking these kids to the hospital. Now his statement, lost their mother? All were shocked. And the man said, I want these kids to enjoy for a few more minutes before they reach to the hospital and come to know about this fact. God knows what will happen to them after that. Listening to that man, everyone was quiet. The kids were still shouting and screaming and enjoying and fighting, but now that noise was not at all irritating anyone. All were quietly looking at those children. Friends, you have understood. The same situation previously was irritating all the passengers, but now, no. So the situation, what we were observing was only a momentary thing. Behind that, what happened, what was going on was told by that man, which changed our way of looking at the kids. So friends, it's always good to find the reason if a person is behaving or reacting in a particular manner. I would request, please don't judge people for the choices they make when we don't know the options they had to choose from. Always remember, if you judge someone, you don't define them, you actually define yourself. Why? Because how we look at things is our own personality. So it's always good to find the reason of a particular behavior by someone. I'm sure you have understood what I wanted to talk about. Thank you. Everyone who is new to my channel, I would request kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more stories and more sharing. I would share more experience with you, and I would request you also to come up with something, some experience which you want me to talk about in the comment box. I would be thankful to all of you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.